Welcome to Purpose Driven Rides. Welcome to Purpose Driven Rides. Purpose Driven Rides.
Hi, welcome to Purpose Driven Ride. Hi Team PTR. So like what the title indicates, this is us saying goodbye to purpose. Before we finally say goodbye to Purpose Driven Rides, we'll just give you a little bit of update doon sa mga dalawang pending namin Meron kaming dalawang pending. Kami mga pusang gusto namin ipaampon nung time na yon, and si Ate Gigi. Sino bang makaka-forget naman kay Ate Gigi yung
If you can help, just help. You can just send your help directly to her. We'll see what we can do to send her home. Pagpasensyahan niyo na po yung aming munting nakayanan. Ayan. Maliit lang yung mga sahod namin.
Gusto lang namin mag-share.
si Ate G, sa tulong na rin ng Philippine Embassy, si Consul Brian, si Madam Lucia, sino pang hindi nakakakilala kay Brando, si Tineb M. Benetis. Tingnan nyo na lang sa description. Nandyan yung mga kapadyak. As in, grabe yung Filipino community dito sa Bahrain. As in, panalo. Ano yun? So, yung isang post, pagkatapos lahat sila, how can we help? How can we help? As in, nakakatuwa. So, sorry, hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa, but thank you from the bottom of our heart. At syempre, si Ate G, napapasalamat din ng sobra-sobra. Ngayon, nasa Pinas na siya, meron na siyang sarili niyang sari-sari store, masaya na siya kasama ang family niya. And that's because of us na nagtulong-tulong, and syempre na rin because of God Almighty na nagbigay ng way para makauwi talaga si Ate G. So let me first show you kung ano nangyari dun sa mga kittens. One is because this channel was originally created para lang magkaroon kami ng alam mo saan mo store yung videos mo. And so it was actually started as life and adventure of Mr. and Mrs. C. Ito yun.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So from life and adventure of Mr. and Mrs. C, naging ito siya.
Welcome to Purpose Driven Rides.
So, ang Purpose Driven Rides, nagsimula siya nung nag-hit yung pandemic na sobrang dami na kailangan ng tulong, and then alam niyo nakikita mo sa Facebook na nanghingi sila ng help. So, we decided na instead of yung mga adventures lang namin yung ilalagay na rin namin yung charity na ginagawa namin. Actually, it was one of the people na natulungan namin yung why don't you create a YouTube channel kung saan papakita mo yung charity nyo, kasi it will also inspire others to help. Okay, so that doesn't answer the question kung bakit kami nag-say goodbye sa Purpose Driven Rides. Right, okay. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya i-explain, but yung pag tumutulong ka kasi nang walang kamerang kasama, yung alam mo may nagugutom, tapos gusto mo kahit na one day lang, because doon sa binigay mong kakarampot is nakatawid gutom siya ng kahit na one meal or kahit na ilang meals lang na hindi niya naramdaman yung sakit ng sikmura niya kasi hindi siya makakain. Alam mo yung feeling na yun? Sarap siyang gawin na hindi ka nakakamera. Although ang pinakagusto naman talaga namin is mag-inspire ng iba, pero hindi kasi yun yung feeling mo hindi na genuine yung tulong mo kasi nga may camera. We currently have Pa, o mag-goodbye ka na at mag-thank you ka na.
And we're back.
Andito na si Mr. C.
Kita na ako.
Nakita na siya. Hindi pala siya nakikita. So, ano nga yun din yung pinag-uusapan natin?
Yun nga.
So, this
Saan
is,
tayo start?
ito yung sinasabi ko kasi sa kanila na this would be our goodbye sa purpose-driven rides.
But we are still here to help people, of course. But we are going to focus on our life and experiences here in Bahrain. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart sa lahat ng mga naging part ng journey namin sa Purpose-Driven Rides. Especially sa mga sponsors. Hindi ko napapangalanan, alam niyo na kung sino-sino kayo. Kasi mahirap nang hindi ko
Masabi
lahat. Yeah, yun nga. Dito sa bagong natin, which is the Bahrain Electric Scooter Team, best, ma-highlight na yung exploring new places, tasting new food, meeting new friends along the way.
Just have fun with us, enjoy the video, discover with us yung Bahrain, yung mga tao sa Bahrain, yung mga Pinoy sa Bahrain, yung mga kakulitan ng mga Bahrain Electric Scooter Team. Nakakatuwa, as in nakakatuwa kasi yung team. We will try to upload the video nang walang masyadong maraming filters.
Hindi scripted, what you're going to see is yung totoong smile, totoong happiness, totoong mood, totoong advices, lahat totoo, 100%.
Oo, pati yung pamitopak, yung iba dyan.
And makikita nyo din yung mga bagong parating na mga scooters and yung paano i-upgrade, yung reviews to help yung mga future riders to choose kung ano yung magiging first scooters nila. Then guides, yung mga tutorials, do's and don'ts.
Anyway, if meron kayong scooter, feel free to join us because we are practice scooter riding. Is that how
Yeah.
it's called? Safe scooter riding. So, isa lang talaga yung rule namin sa team. Are required to have at least a helmet.
No helmet policy.
No helmet, no ride policy.
Yeah.
If you're into scooter riding, tutok ka sa mga next video namin because we will talk about the scooters, ano yung best scooters, new scooters na meron ng market ngayon, how to use them, ang daming how-tos, pati yung paano siya i-upgrade, but not only that, you'll also see, you'll also meet a lot of people. This is us saying goodbye to Purpose-Driven Rides and saying hello to
Bahrain Electric Scooter Team.